This video is about a recent paper on the use of machine learning emotion recognition in the field of psychotherapy. Facial emotion expression is a biological signal with a strong evolutionary foundation. Charles Darwin already recognized its importance in humans and other mammals long before language had evolved. Although easy to recognize in real life, the scientific measurement of facial expressions is challenging. Paul Ekman has developed the widely used facial action coding system. This system allows an exact description of facial expressions in an image produced by our 43 facial muscles. Given only one psychotherapy session contains about 90,000 video frames, a manual application of this method is not economic, let alone a whole psychotherapeutic treatment. Due to this reason, researchers have developed other indirect methods to measure emotions. For example, heart rate variability, skin conductance, neuroimaging, hormone levels, questionnaires, or expert ratings. Advances in the field of machine learning make it possible to quantify the similarity of a facial expression with prototypical emotions in almost real time. Based on so-called convolutional neural networks, the algorithms learn how to classify the pictures of large data sets of facial expressions. In our lab in Basel, we have collected videos of over 400 psychotherapeutic sessions in 23 patients with borderline pathology. You can see an avatar sequence of one patient and the machine learning algorithm which provides metrics for 6 emotions: happiness, disgust, anger, sadness, surprise, fear, and neutral expression. Given the high resolution of the method, it can also detect micro-expressions which would remain unnoticed in real life. In a first step, we compared the algorithm's results with the gold standard in psychotherapy research, expert ratings of emotions. Here you see the agreement of the client emotional arousal scale and machine learning emotion recognition in a session with very high agreement. Although the agreement is not always perfect, we find highly significant overall agreement between expert ratings of emotional arousal and the machine learning results. We can also show that different human raters showed similar agreement with the algorithm, supporting the objectivity of the approach. Overall, the algorithm shows substantial predictive validity, i.e. it can be used to predict with emotions and which emotional intensity human raters would select. But what about the outcome of psychotherapy? We found highly significant associations between the display of emotions and the outcome of psychotherapy. Individuals with good outcomes showed significantly more happiness, whereas individuals with less improvement were consistently higher on negative affectivity, i.e. anger, disgust, sadness, and fear. Interestingly, those who dropped out from psychotherapy showed less of both negative and positive emotions, an overall reduction in emotional arousal. One explanation could be that these individuals were less able or less willing to express their emotions in this setting, finally leading to a dropout from treatment. This study is the first to systematically test the potential of machine learning emotion recognition in a natural setting of psychotherapy. We clearly found evidence supporting the reliability, objectivity, and external validity. In other words, the method fulfills strong criteria of scientific instruments. Therefore, the method can be used to investigate the mechanisms of successful therapies in more detail. For example, the interplay of patients' and therapists' emotions. This video is supplementary material to a study at the Psychiatric University Hospital in Basel. Thanks for watching.